You're listening to the American Democracy Minute, keeping your government by and for the people. We reported yesterday on the blatantly partisan decision by the North Carolina Supreme Court to throw out its own 2022 decision and give license to the state legislature to gerrymander at will. That decision also impacts the Moore v. Harper independent state legislature case in the United States Supreme Court. Expecting the North Carolina High Court would overturn Harper v. Hall, the nation's High Court asked for additional briefs in early March to decide whether to proceed with Moore v. Harper, the new case name for the challenge to Hall. The argument used in Harper made it a case with sweeping national implications. Using a shaky theory dismissed by most constitutional scholars, the North Carolina legislature argued that as an independent state legislature, they were granted ultimate control over most federal election rulemaking, including redistricting and voting. When the case was heard in late 2022, the theory was met with skepticism from a majority of justices, with the exceptions of Justices Gorsuch, Alito, and Thomas, and to some extent Kavanaugh. The general consensus among court observers suggests that with the overturning of Harper v. Hall, the U.S. Supreme Court will likely dismiss Moore v. Harper. Don't breathe easy just yet. Other SCOTUS scholars suggest the conservative majority may look for another case to test the theory in a future term. We have articles and groups taking action at AmericanDemocracyMinute.org. I'm Brian Beal.